Mortgage interest rates have increased over the past few weeks, but are still down from this time last year. It's Friday, April 24th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Expectations are that the rates will rise again following the April 29th Fed meeting. Consumer confidence is on shaky ground, and let's look at the data this week to see what impact that might have. The number of homes sold comparing this week to last April's week is exactly the same, but the sold price is down 13.6% this year to $660,000. Annapolis inventory for sale is up 25.4% from this time last April, but new contracts are also up 57% year over year. There are 212 properties, that's 2.4% fewer than last week, at a $684,450 median list price. 35 units will be coming soon with an adjusted median list price of $675,000. New contracts are up 24% to 47 under contract in 7 days, and list price at time of contract rose 9.7% this report to $684,000. 28 properties sold at 100% list to sold ratio, and in 5 days at a median sold price of $660,000. So what this is telling us this week is it's still a seller's market. 42 rental properties are for lease at $2,675 per month, and these have been listed for 37 days. Curious about housing values in your neighborhood? Reach out to me and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, April 24th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.